Hello, and thank you for tuning into this week's episode. What we're going to be talking about today is the Big Bang Theory versus the Bible. Here's the teaser, or here's the basic concept. The Big Bang Theory says that 13.8 billion years ago, there was this tiny little microscopic point in space. And it generated so much energy, it used Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, and it went bang. And light was created. Light was created 13.8 billion years ago. So light's created here, and then 13.8 billion years later, humans are created. So in the Big Bang Theory, the first thing that was created was light, and the last thing created in the universe are human beings. Okay, so in the Big Bang Theory, you also have the sun. Our sun was created 9.2 billion years after the Big Bang. So if you take light, go 9.2 billion years, our sun is created, and then 13.8 billion years from light, you have humans being created. If you divide 9.2 into 13.8, you get exactly 2/3. So the fraction is 2/3 of the way from light to humans, our sun was created. And 2/3, as you know, is equal to 4/6. It's the same fraction. What does the Bible say? Moses writes the book of Genesis about 3,300 years ago. And Moses says that light was created on the first day. And he says the last thing created were human beings. Now, of course, Moses uses the term 6 days, and the Big Bang Theory uses billions of years. But the point here is we have two calendars, and both agree on the beginning, and both agree on the end. Moses also does something very interesting to a scientifically minded, logical person like myself. Wait a minute, when does Moses say that the sun was created? Moses doesn't create the sun on the first day, nor does he on the second day, nor on the third. He waits to the fourth day of a 6-day creation cycle to create our sun, which is 4/6. 4/6 of the way through from light to human beings, the sun is created. It matches mathematically perfectly with the Big Bang Theory. 2/3 equals 4/6, 4/6 equals 2/3. It's the same fraction. So the language of science is mathematics. And mathematically, we've just shown that we have 3 data points that all agree with each other. The Big Bang Theory agrees with the Bible, or wait a minute, does the Bible agree with the Big Bang Theory? And so you have to ask yourself, wait a minute, who came up with the idea that light was created a long time before our sun was created? Think about this. Moses was raised in Egypt. In Egypt, there are many, many gods, right? However, the greatest and most powerful God is the sun god named Ra. And what you're saying to me is, if you believe Moses was writing fiction, what you're saying to me is, Moses took a pen and he wrote a book of fiction, and he agrees with the Big Bang Theory perfectly, not only just in order of the creation, which he gets it pretty much all the way right, but he also mathematically perfectly puts the sun at 2/3 of the way through the creation cycle. I'm asking my scientifically atheist friends, how did Moses do it? If he was writing a book of fiction, then how did he come up with that? How did he come up with light was created a long time before the sun? Why would anyone 3,300 years ago decide that light was a long time in creation, a long time in existence before our sun was created? I don't know. It just seems like a question that begs the question, why? And therefore, I wrote a whole book about it. And if you'd like some more detail, pick up a copy of this, Big Bang Theory versus the Bible by John S. Pennington Jr. Now, you know, and I know, we don't know if you like these videos. If you like them, you have to subscribe. That's the only way we know you want more. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and we'll keep making more. Thanks for listening.